Yo, what's good, everyone? Today is July 23rd. Hit a banger trade today. A plus setup out of the trade in less than 2 minutes. Super clean setup. And I'm going to break down why I ended up taking this trade today. So we'll jump back to market open. Off market open, we have a shit ton of displacement to the downside here. And then we end up just continuing to trend down, trend lower and lower. We take out a lot of sell side liquidity, and then we end up getting some movement back to the upside. I still wanted to be bearish down to these previous day lows down here, but because of the consolidation in the market, was not going to try to hit a home run. Glad I didn't, because obviously the trade would not have hit. So still hit for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, which is really solid. So this is why I ended up taking the trade. If we look here, we created a ton of trend line liquidity. We see the price bounces here, bounce, touches here, here. We are engineering a lot of liquidity underneath these lows here. So I know the price probably wants to rebalance and move back to the downside here, especially after we come up, we sweep out these internal highs. We were also reacting out of a bullish 15-minute fair value gap, tapped into equilibrium of the 15-minute range here. So we'll go to the 15-minute time frame. We see that price comes up right here. This is the wick, sweep out these internal highs, reacting out of this bearish 15-minute gap. And then we also tapped into equilibrium of the 15-minute range. So if we draw this tool here, we can see the price comes up, hits the equilibrium, get good movement back to the downside here. And then we'll jump back into the 1 minute. We'll zoom in and we see that price comes up, sweep the internal highs, great movement back to the downside, V-shaped reaction into the downside. We inverse this 1 minute gap in one candle. That's exactly what you want to see. Super clean movement, very clean momentum, and very quick. So we inverse right here. I go break even off this first internal low, and I close my full position at this internal low right here for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Clean trade. And then after I exited my trade, price did end up continuing higher for the rest of the day here. We also had Tesla and Google earnings, I believe. That's most likely why we ended up just ripping during PM session. So yeah, super clean trade today. Out of the trade in less than 2 minutes. Hopefully you all had a great trading day. I'll be back tomorrow with another recap, and I hope everyone has a great night. Peace.